Here's the Elephant Super Memory Challenge. Recall this application for the iPhone, the iPod Touch and the iPad. And this is how it works. You have 3 screens. It's letters and digits. You can select either letters or digits. Then you have a colors screen, where you have to remember the colors, and the third one with a smiley screen. There are 4 different smileys. There are 14 different colors, and there are the letters and the digits. It's the English alphabet of 26 characters and 10 digits. So let's look at the settings here. You have the game time. That's the time you have to type in your recall. And the time to learn is the time you have to, study whatever you have to learn. And then there's the length of the string, which is probably the most important setting. It goes all the way from 2 up until 25. And I guess you need a bit of an elephant's memory to remember all those. I'm going to make it rather simple for myself here. Length 3, just for demonstration. I can actually do some more, but let's make it 3 this time. It's okay, NR5. Well, NR5. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, that's fine. So, next challenge, ZE0. Okay, so if you think you have to wait too long to type it in, well, then you have to shorten the time here. You can shorten to 3 seconds if it's very short string that you have to remember. But maybe this is not a very good idea to have a string of 16 and only 3 seconds to learn. Well, that's a tough challenge. So let's make it 4. And time to learn, well, yeah, okay, 4. Start game, okay. 0 TM6. That's 0 TM6. Was that correct? Correct answer. Well, how about that? Here's the next one. The colors. String of 6 is too much for me when it comes to colors, so let's make it 3 again. Okay, start game. So that one, and that one, and that one. Okay. Which one? No. So, okay. Correct answer. Well, that's great. If you want a little bit colorful performance, you can make it 25 and you get this. And that's a rather difficult one. So I'll just stop here. Go to the smileys. Only 4 smileys to remember, or types of smileys. Let's make it a string of 3. Time to learn 5. We can make game time perhaps a little bit shorter. Let's make it 15. And we start the game. Okay. Big smile, sad, and a wink. Big smile, sad, and a wink. Right? Correct answer. Well, that's fine. Let's make it 6. A challenge. Okay, smile, 2 big smiles, 2 sads, and a smile. Smile, 2 big smile. Oh dear. Sad and a smile. Is that correct? Oh. So that's about it. Let's have a look at the help function, which is available on any of the screens. There's an overall introduction, there's a first screen, and there's a second screen, and a third screen, and that's it. Right, okay. So that's it. Thank you.